Hello guys! So again guys, today we have the new Canon EOS R7. Yes guys, again, the first Canon RF APS-C o crop sensor guys. So actually the M50 is crop sensor but it's not an RF lens or RF mount. So this is the first RF crop sensor from Canon. The Canon R7. It's newly guys. And yes, we have also here the Canon RF S18 to 150 lens guys. The first lens which is for crop sensor or RFS. It's like an EFS. So in RFS for crop. So again guys, today we're gonna unbox and check what's inside the box of this Canon R7. So it's written here guys, it's a lens offer with plus mount adapter EF to EOS R. So I am assuming that there's already an EF to EOS R adapter inside of this box. And guys, without further ado, let's unbox and check the camera. And guys, again, the box is typical RF type of box, like an R3 or R5. Yan. So this is what inside the box of this Canon R7. So you have the manual. Again, the EOS R7 manual. So it's very important to read the manual, guys. Yeah. Again, you have the cable. You have the charger, which is the LPE6 charger or LC-E6E. For similar with the R5, R3, R6, and not R3, R6, yeah. And even 5D, yeah. LPE6. And of course, the battery, which is the LPE6NH. Yeah. Again, another adapter. Your original strap from Canon. It's written, guys, Canon EOS R7. Yeah. Okay. And, yeah, for the main, this is the, I believe this is the adapter, guys. So, I think this is only offer for the first batch of the camera. Okay. Already you have the EOS R adapter or EOS to RF adapter. So guys, the adapter guys, the normal adapter, not the one with the ring adapter. So, okay, you have your adapter here and of course your camera. So, diba? Stick guys. Yeah, so this is the camera guys. It's almost similar with the EOS RP, the size, the look, and it's look like the RP, and you have your dial already here, guys. Wow, it's new. This is a new style, guys. You have your dial type or stick type, plus you have the dial here. Ayan, diba? This is set info, the Q button. Yeah, the Q button is from the middle. Napaka-minimize ang ano niya, AF, MF focus, manual focus, and autofocus. It's also nice, guys. Yeah, this is, yeah, you want to switch from on and for video, for photo, and for video. So you have all the dial here, guys. You have only one dial here. Again, this side you have HDMI, micro. It's a micro HDMI, USB-C, micro HDMI, USB-C. You have the mic adapter. Of course, it's 3.5 jack mic adapter. You have a remote, which is, ayan, it's an old style remote again. It's like a 2.5 something. And you have the headphone jack. So, yeah, this is the Canon EOS R7, which is the logo in the front, guys. Canon EOS R7. Yeah, memory card, you have two SD card, guys. I believe this is SDXC. But it's not written here. We will check later the specs. So, again, this is the, I will check if this is SDXC or SDXC UHS2. So, this is the camera, guys. This is, again, an APS-C DigicX processor with the ISO range of 100 up to 32,000. You can boost a maximum within 51,200 with a white balance preset, uncompressed RAW, with autofocus, face detection, multi-area center, selector center point, tracking single continuous touch, face detection, and live view. So you have already 651 focusing point. Again, the lens mount is the RF mount. So it's the first RF with the APS-C RF mount. Yes. It's already touchscreen, guys. Maximum shutter is to 1:8,000. You can electronically 1 to 16,000. So it's good for high-speed sync. And there's no built-in pop-up flash on this camera. And continuous drive up to 15 frames per second. So, you can record up to Ultra HD 30p with the 170 Mbps or megabits per second. Again, the weight is 612 grams without, of course, without the battery. Storage, again guys, the storage is 2 SD card, UHS 2. Again, this is a 2 UHS 2 SD card slot. And again guys, so this is the lens, which is the 18 to 150 millimeter RF. So this is for crop sensor or RFS. Again, this is the 18 150 RFS guys. So ayan. And this is the camera, the EOS R7. So ayan guys. If you want to check the camera, if you want to know the price about the camera and the lens, you can visit to our website www.aabworld.com. So ayan siya guys. Ito ang ating Canon EOS R7. Still we don't have the demo, but maybe soon guys, we will have a demo on this camera. So again, this is the unboxing first of this camera, the EOS R7. So, and guys, again, check to our website, www.avworld.com. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating PBK 2.0 na si Brian Puntanar at si Palaboy OFW na nasa likod ng camera natin ngayon. Ayan, hindi siya. At si Julius at si Audrey na... Ay, flex natin yung sponsor natin ng Buko Pandan, si Ate Lai. Ayan, o.
Hindi ako nakakain.
Hindi ka nakakain. Ayan tayo dyan. Iyan mo, sponsor yan. Ayan. Siya yung sponsor namin ng Buko Pandan.
Hindi ako pinakain.
Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Again, thank you and mabuhay.